Hi. In Python, we have 6 primary comparison operators, which include equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and finally, greater than or equal to. So let's see how they work and help us in our coding. Let's start with equality and inequality operators. The equality operator checks if two values are equal, while the inequality operator checks if they are not equal. So let's take a look at these examples. Here we assign values of 10 and 5 to two variables of x and y, respectively. So now we want to check if x and y are equal or not. It's a very simple example, is it? So let's check. Print x equal to y. So what is your expectation of the output? Let's run it. So it's false, which suggests that x and y are not equal, right? So what if we ask the question, print if x is not equal to y, and let's run it again. So this time the answer is true. Okay, so let's put them together in our cell. So x equal to y, print if x equal to y, and print x is not equal to y, and run them. So the first one is false and the second one is true. So understanding the distinction between these operators is crucial, especially when working with the strings. Let's have a quick question of strings. So word 1 is hello, and word 2 is word. Now just let's check if these two words are the same or not. So print word 1 equal to word 2, and also print word 1 as not equal to word 2, and then let's run it. So the first one is false and the second one is true. Also, we have got relational operators. As I said, here we are talking about less than, greater than, less than equal, or greater than equal. So we have got two numbers here. Number 1 is 8 and number 2 is 12. And let's check. Print number 1 less than number 2, and also print number 1 bigger than number 2. Or we can check if number 1 is less than equal number 2 and number 1 bigger equal number 2. So the first statement is true. Number 1 is less than number 2, as well as the third statement, because 8 is less than equal to 12, and the other two are false. So as you see, we can check even the equality, in addition to equality, the relational operators, using relational operators if the numbers are less than or greater than each other. And also the same for a string. So here we have got string 1, which is apple, and string 2 is banana. So let's see, if I say print string 1 is less than string 2. So in that case, in case of a string, we are checking basically their lexicographical order. So in that case, the answer is correct. Apple is less than banana. And finally, we can check chaining comparison operators. For example, I have got a number. Uh, you can combine multiple comparison into a single expression. How? Number is equal to 15. And let's say, for example, print 10 less than number less than 20. So the number, you want to check if the number, which is 15, is between 10 and 20. So clearly the answer is true. And if I say print, if this number is between 5 and, for example, 10, the answer would be false.